There was a time we thought this was ours. The skyline. The bridges. The endless electric glow. But ownership is a fragile illusion. When we disappeared, the planet did not collapse. It exhaled. Sunlight touched abandoned rooftops. Grass broke through pavement like green lightning. Rain washed dust from silent streets. And then, color returned. Nature did not replace us. It transformed the space we occupied. Where there were walls, there are canopies. Where there were engines, there are wings. Where there was noise, there is rhythm. The earth is not a victim of history. It is the author of renewal. And in the world after us, life is not surviving, it is flourishing.